Hey, good morning. Today it's with Pistachio Calcite. I love the colors. My only intention when I reached into my basket of palmstones was to just connect with an energy. There's no specific agenda that I have with it. I love how the energy is subtle. It is cooling. And I love the soft greens, the browns, and maybe see if you can see even a little bit of yellow and white. What does this mean energetically to me? It is a blend of energies. Brown for grounding with Mother Earth, of course. The green, health, wealth, and abundance. The yellow for my solar plexus, manifestation. And then the white is for spiritual protection and energy detox or purification along my walk. Lots of little buggies out here this morning, yuck. What did I feel? What did I sense along my walk? Well, yesterday I shared with you my whole plan, which didn't happen. Yes, I helped my housemate, but I did not do anything else, because once I got done with the garden, my meditation, and my journaling and sharing with y'all, I was give out. I had been going steady for a few days and I needed to rest and just pretty much do not a whole lot of anything. So today I just want to feel content with where I am and the projects that I've been working on, where they are, what stage they're in, and just get into a zone of, okay, what can I accomplish today? I want to do what I did yesterday, and I want to do some of what I wanted to do today in addition. Okay, so how do I do that without stressing or, talking to myself like, well, you really should have worked yesterday? When your energy is off, when your energy is depleted, the best thing to do is to rest your body, because your mind also needs rest. And sometimes it's really about recharging. And green is fresh and it is vibrant. Then this is soft and subtle. This is one side. And then here is the other side. And on my walk today, I found myself switching hands often. So yes, energy goes in through the left and goes out the right. So when I'm holding a crystal or a palmstone in my left hand, then yes, the energy is coming into and through the piece that I'm holding. And then when I'm shifting hands, and I figured this out years ago because I didn't know why I was doing that. And what happens is the crystal, the palmstone, in your right hand draws out of you any energies that are not in alignment with the piece that you're working with. Now, isn't that amazing? So what are you up to today? Do you like to seeing what palmstones we have in the crystal shop? Link is in the bottom in the description. And see you again soon, beautiful soul.